So we're back here at the Pleasure Beach since we were last here just before Christmas. So for their start of their 2022 season. Weather's looking good today. Hopefully I've sorted the audio issues out since last time we were here. But I've turned it down a bit, so it'll either be really quiet and you'll not be able to hear it, or it'll be bang on. So let's see how it goes. Like I say, I'm still trying to get to grips with this camera. I've not used it much. I've really only used it the last time we were here, so still be a bit more of a learning curve today. But the weather's a little better, so hopefully have a good day. Take you around the park and see what's happened over the winter period. So currently the National's closed for extended winter maintenance. A few of the attractions here today are, I know the big one's currently still having some of its track replaced, so that'll not be open until later on in the season. And obviously you've also got Enzo, which is coming this year to Icon, which is a spinning car to the back of the train. Don't really know many more details other than that so far, but that won't be happening until spring, I hear. And as well as Valhalla isn't opening until spring, it's not finished, which I can understand. It's early on the season. It's nice for Blackpool to put this on in February. No other parks in the UK really do it, so definitely credits to him for that. But yeah, so currently no National. As I said earlier, the big one's currently closed for re-track work. I'll show you, there's still segments of the track missing, and we'll get a shot of those when we go on the Pleasure Beach Express later for you. They're showing you a bit more up close. we're back in the park. Just been out for some food at the Wetherspoons down the road. Mind ice boss behind me going off. Good meal as always in there. Can't really fault it for a Wetherspoons, one of the nicer ones. As you can see, not much really has taken place on Valhalla on the exterior that we can see since last time we were here a few months back. But from what we can gather, we've just been on flying machines, and I think the majority of the work's definitely going to be inside. So I'm really excited to see what that is. Hopefully not long now. Seems like it's been forever since we've last on it, but yeah, it'd be nice to get back on that later in the year. So I think we'll head on around the rest of the park again, have another look around, do some of his favourites like River Caves and Wallace and Gromit. Pretty quiet overall here today actually, as you can see. I'll show you. I know we're at the top end of the park, so it's usually quieter up here, but it's not been too busy today. So it was about time on the ride on the Pleasure Beach Expressway. I'll try and get some shots of the missing track on the big one where they're replacing it, but unfortunately we were just about to get on it and it broke down, so it doesn't look like we're going to get on that today unfortunately, but we'll try again just before we go, see if we can. If not, I'll try and get some angles from that side of the park to get some shots of it. I don't really want to walk around the whole edge of the park to the outside of the park to get some shots, but if I can get some from inside the park I will. Can't really see it I don't think on the camera. We zoom in. You can see a bit there through the, it's not focusing on it, it's focusing on the trees, but behind it there's a bit of track missing up to the brake run, but the mid-course brake run. But like I say, we'll have a walk around there later, see if we can see it a bit better for you, get some better angles. Might be able to just peek through and be able to get a shot of it for you. So I think we're going to go and ride on Wallace and Gromit, because we've not been on that yet. We've just done River Caves, that was nice. And then I think we'll probably head over back to Icon and have a ride on that. It's coming towards the end of the day here, it's just about almost 4 o'clock, so park closes at 5, so we haven't got too much longer left. Here's one of the better shots I can get from you from inside the park and not being on the Pleasure Beach Express of the track replacement currently going on the big one. I'm going to try and show you the other angle, but the sun's right in the way, so I don't know how it'll turn out, but I'll try and get you a little shot of it. that's it from us here at the Pleasure Beach today. Hope you've all enjoyed this video. This next one will be from Alton Towers for their opening day, so stay tuned for that in a couple of weeks. Overall, I've had a good day. Weather's been really nice, got on plenty of rides. We did a few rides that we don't usually do, like flying machines. We don't usually have a ride on that, but like I say, absolutely gorgeous weather today for it being a February weekend in Blackpool. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope the audio's been good in it. Like I say, I was trying to get the mic settings right, so hopefully I've sorted it. So you'll have to bear with me if it's a bit quiet. Hopefully it'll be bang on. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next one, which will be at Alton Towers. Thank you all for watching.